friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my creamy kale soup. So let's get started. Friends, this is the ingredients that we will be using, but don't worry, I'll have them all listed below in the quantities. So first we want to start out with our kale. I am peeling it by removing the leaves, and I just want to show you how it's done. This is them all completed, and then the next I washed my kale, and then now I'm chopping it. Now you can chop it into medium-sized pieces or small dice like I did. So next in my pan, I have easy oil, and I've added in my diced onion and I let that saute for a while, and then I added in my garlic. And I added salt and pepper to help it soften and get translucent. Okay, you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now. It allows YouTube to know that I'm here. So I've added in some flour. I let that cook down a little bit. So that it can cook off the flour taste, because I'm making a roux. I've added in some Italian seasoning and some oregano. Next, you want to add in your chicken stock once you have cooked the flour down and got the flour taste off. So I add a little bit at a time, and then I add the remainder. I've added in some garlic, granulated garlic. I've added in some chicken bouillon. I've also added in a little bit of parsley, and then I've added in the kale. You want to cook that down until the kale is tender. And then I've added in my half and half or your heavy whipping cream, and then I added in the Parmesan cheese. So you guys basically let that cook and it's done. It's just that easy, just that simple. You guys, I want to thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.